Hello, today we are going to give the brief introduction about the computer. The computer has CPU, input devices, output devices and other devices which work as input and output both. We will discuss only CPU and input devices today. The other devices will be explained in the next session. The CPU is the central processing unit. It is called the brain of computer as it processes the data, stores the data and it also distributes the functions and commands to the respective parts of the computer. The input devices are basically hardware which converts our language into machine language, as the computer, being a machine, cannot understand our language. So they have to be given the commands and functions into their own language. We enter our data and instructions through the input devices. The input devices are explained further. The keyboard is the basic input device. In the earlier era of computer, the keyboard was the only input device. The lengthy commands and functions were typed through the keyboard only. The keyboard has alphabets, numerical and the symbols engrossed upon it. Suppose we have to copy and paste a file, then we can use Ctrl+C and Ctrl+V, right? So basically we are giving command through keyboard. That's why keyboard is an input device. Now the mouse. The mouse is a perfect substitute or rather complementary to keyboard. The lengthy commands which were typed through keyboard are easily done with the click and run tool named mouse. And the next one is scanner. Scanner scans the object and creates a digital file of it. Actually, scanner creates the soft copy of the hard copy. And the hard copy can be any kind of image, written document or any other document. The next one is webcam. The webcam are the great communication tool in the virtual space. It actually captures the image in front of it and transfers it. The joysticks. We all know what is joysticks. Joysticks are used to play the game. And the joysticks has different buttons on it, that is reverse, forward, backward and so many others. So when we press this button, we are actually giving instructions to the computer to do such things. So that's why joysticks are input devices. Next one is the digital camera. Digital camera are not actually attached to the computer, but still they are input devices. We click pictures through the camera, right? Then we transfer these pictures to computer through this camera. That's why the cameras are input devices. The touchpads. The touchpads are actually pointing devices. The touchpad detects our motions and positions of fingers and gives us the output that we want. The next one is pen inputs. Pen inputs are also the pointing device which can be used to draw and write. The pen inputs are actually substitute for the mouse. It facilitates works of mouse. The next one is microphone. Microphone actually creates the digital file of the sound in the air. We hear this song in computers. We can record our own voice through microphones. So microphones is an input device too. All input devices are explained in depth in further sessions. Thank you.